I've been posting on YouTube for nearly 4 weeks straight, and I wanted to walk you through my takeaways. So here's my channel. You can see that I have very humbling stats over here. I generated 1K views in the past month, 36 hours of watch time, and then I have an extra 46 friends on the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Feel free to press the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next videos. But for those that are watching the videos every single day, thank you for taking the time out of your busy days and consuming the content. So just wanted to say that I really appreciate everyone here. In terms of the results, I've been able to close more clients, and this is really using YouTube as a bottom of the funnel asset. So if someone's considering about moving forward with me, I typically will send them over a few videos about how I approach certain topics of lead generation so that they can see my approach, my philosophy, and if they like the content that they see, they are able to move forward. I don't want a lack of information to be the thing that steps or that gets in the way of me working with a cool client. And by having these assets online, it does help me quite a bit. So it also leads to warmer sales calls. So before every single sales call I have normally, I send prospects one or two videos with the ability for them to watch more of my content. I've seen steady subscriber growth, healthy watch time. So if you see this watch time is 36 hours, as just plainly 36 hours, it's not a ton of time. The way I see it is roughly 72 sales calls, because each of my sales calls are 30 minutes. It's me getting in front of my desired audience. From there, I generated a bit of affiliate revenue from the products that I pushed out, and I really didn't force this heavily, but it did turn out to be more than I would have expected. From there, I had daily accountability with my friend Norman. He's been on the channel before, and he was able to call me out on some of my crap. Some days I didn't necessarily want to post. He didn't want to post some days, but we were able to hold each other to a higher standard. In terms of how I was able to post every single day and for it not to consume a ton of my time, I bookmark specific sections of my content generation flow, such as I bookmarked my whimsicals, my Canva thumbnail boards. I use Aphonic to enrich some of my audio, and I'm a little bit iffy on Aphonic these days just because sometimes I don't think it's crystal clear. And then what else did I post? Or what else did I bookmark? I bookmarked the upload tab on YouTube, and it became a routine. So either in the morning or after my day, I take an hour, post a video, and that was it. In terms of what's next for this channel, I'd like to post higher production quality content. I think that right now the content has been consistent. I've been posting a ton of volume, but I would like to post a ton of quality content as well. I'd like to share some of my conversations with connections within my network. I'd like to do end-to-end funnel reviews, and then also post longer form content, videos that could be anywhere from 40 minutes to 2 hours in length, just really digging deep into a full marketing funnel to see exactly how could we optimize it. So that's it. That's what I learned in the past 4 weeks, or nearly 4 weeks of posting every single day. And I'm looking forward to the future of this channel. I'll see you next time. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps a ton. Bye.